ka na lang pala ngayon. Oo nga. Nice, Jean.
By that point, when I first found you, I knew at once that I would make use of you for my life. You were, you were what I required in every respect. I was young then, with no knowledge of the world. And as I thought the resurrection would be most beautifully rendered as an innocent young woman, not yet corrupted by life, awakening to life and glory, without having to put away from her anything, anything. You have said that I cannot expect you to be the same woman I knew all those years ago, all those years ago, all those in the years followed after your departure. I I schooled in the ways. I became schooled in the ways of the world. My vision of the day of resurrection evolved, became more complex. Your solitary and solid figure no longer expressed my conception, and I made modifications. Men and women and men, as I knew them in real life. At the base of the sculpture, I created fissures in the ground, and with this helmet, there are now men and women with dimly suggested animal faces, forming out around the child, who turned down as she rise up in heaven. I had to include myself, you see. I had to put a little bit of myself into the girl. That glorious figure, why? Who can quite bring herself into this earth. Her hand reached into the heavens for perfection, tortured by that knowledge that